Today I'm running an Ghillie suit with an H&K limited edition G28 DMR. This gun has been upgraded with a hop-up and an inner barrel and shoots right at 450 with a 2.0 BB, but today I am using a 3.6 BB in it. This gun weighs 17 pounds, so by the end of the day I was super tired, but the gun is so accurate that it's almost worth it to me to lug this thing around all day. But I'm also a very short guy. You can see his BB's dropping a good distance in front of me, and I'm actually able to hit him.
One down.
And this gun can cut right through bushes.
Got him.
I don't know where from, but I'm hit.
Let's get into some gameplay with this monster.
What the hell was that?
That was a boomy.
I've been straight ahead through that blue wall. You see?
Not yet.
What?
Oh!
Did you?
Yeah.
The life of a YouTuber, protecting scope camera while dead. Well, that didn't last long. Got back into the game and went into the woods to try to sneak into the city on the far left. If you're planning on purchasing this gun, definitely look into the foregrip with the extendable bipod built into it.
Let's go. Can you give us a cover? Cover.
Woo! I'm here. I count one.
Gotcha, RJ. Move up, come on!
We were able to sneak into the city, and I found this window, and this is really where the gun started to shine.
Oh, I was gonna say, if they're right there, they can come right here.
You know what? I'm getting old and my eyes aren't as what they used to be. I'm still older. Let's get this up here.
Ooh, did that hit your scope?
Yeah. Cool, I have a
Scope cover?
Yeah. Call it, buddy.
Got him.
Got him. Nailed it. Oh, hey. My friend is back.
Did you get him?
Yeah. I see another. Yay, got him. Oh, I know who that is.
I was really enjoying how accurate the gun was by this point.
Oh, Ryan! Hit! Medic!
There's 3 guys. We got some back in there. So just kind of be aware. Oh, that's a gun hit. That was a gun hit.
I thought it was too, but that was a cool shot though. Whoa, that is a wicked shot.
This gun is so large, it's constantly getting hit by BBs. It's great.
If I can find him when I go to glass, I could hit him.
Yeah, I can't. I just see the beat. I don't see anything else.
Oh. Got him.
Nice.
Alright, that should stop. Nothing like medieval times and
What about this guy's to the left here? Are they fair game to shoot?
I don't know.
This gun was super fun to use and crazy accurate. I would highly recommend it. Special thanks to Origami for letting me use this gun.